What if the legendary Lexus LFA returned not with a screaming V10, but as a fully electric supercar? That question has finally been answered with the all-new Lexus LFA Concept, a next-generation BEV sports car that promises to redefine driving excitement without abandoning the spirit that made the original LFA an icon. Unlike many electric performance cars focused only on acceleration, the LFA Concept was created with a different philosophy. Developed alongside Toyota Gazoo Racing's GR-GT and GR-GT3 programs, this concept carries forward the engineering knowledge and craftsmanship behind Toyota's greatest performance cars. For Lexus, the LFA badge isn't just a name. It represents the technologies, driving passion, and craftsmanship that deserve to be passed on to future generations. Visually, the new LFA Concept is absolutely stunning. Its long hood, ultra-low roofline, and wide stance immediately recall the proportions of the original LFA while introducing a cleaner, more futuristic design language. Built around a lightweight aluminum body structure, the car focuses on three priorities: a low center of gravity, high chassis rigidity, and advanced aerodynamic efficiency. At nearly 4.7 meters long and over 2 meters wide, it looks every bit like a true flagship supercar. Every surface has been sculpted not only for beauty, but also to maximize airflow and high-speed stability. Inside, Lexus calls the experience Discover Immersion. Everything revolves around the driver. The cockpit features an ideal seating position inspired directly by the GR-GT race program, creating an incredible connection between driver and machine. The steering wheel has been specially designed for sports driving, allowing natural hand movement during aggressive cornering. Controls are positioned for intuitive blind operation, while the minimalist dashboard removes distractions and keeps the focus entirely on driving. Instead of overwhelming you with luxury, the cabin creates a pure performance environment where every detail has a purpose. The Lexus LFA Concept isn't simply an electric replacement for the legendary LFA. It's a vision of how sports cars can evolve into the electric era while preserving everything enthusiasts truly love. Lightweight engineering, beautiful proportions, race-inspired development, and a driver-first philosophy. If this concept reaches production, it could become one of the most exciting electric supercars ever created. So, would you choose this futuristic Lexus LFA Concept over rivals like the Porsche Mission X, Rimac Nevera, or upcoming electric Ferrari? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future supercar reveals here on CBC Auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.